Nanalo na naman po ang kadiliman laban sa kabutihan.
Sawadee ka! Welcome to Bangkok. Welcome everybody to come to this country.
Hi, day 3. Good morning. So, andito kami sa roof deck or sa rooftop nitong hotel namin. Dito pa rin tayo sa Holiday Inn Express, Siam. Anyway, we didn't skip breakfast again. We keep on saying that we'll skip breakfast, pero I think lighter naman yung kinain natin today. Lighter. So, anyway, our plan for today is just going around the chains of mall here in Siam area. Siguro we'll start buying the pasalubongs, yung mga inhalers. And then tonight, we'll go to Jodd's Fair, or sa hapon, we'll go to Jodd's Fair. And then balik kami sa hotel to freshen up. And then mamayang gabi, we'll have a Thai massage.
Yay!
Yes. So, we realized na tomorrow, wala na talaga kaming magagawang, wala na kaming maisip na gawin because we still have 2 days left. And napuntahan na namin majority of the attractions here in central Bangkok. So, what I did was I booked a private Pattaya tour tomorrow. So, that's going to be an all-day private tour for us.
Yeah.
We'll go to 4 attractions, I think. We'll leave here. We'll be picked up here by a private car at 9 a.m. So, there's still a chance for us to grab our breakfast. Good thing may mga takeout cups, no? Sa hotel, sa breakfast buffet, so we can take out coffee.
Coffee and bread. And then, enough muna of the city for tomorrow. We're gonna focus on nature, on the serenity.
I'm excited to see the Sanctuary of Truth.
Yes, so it's a mix of both worlds and the culture here sa Bangkok, Thailand. So we get to experience the malls, the cities, diba? And then tomorrow, excited for nature and more temples, which is more serene.
Yes. We're currently at Discovery Center. Naglakad lang kami ng 10 minutes from the hotel. Kailangan namin malayo kasi for the past 2 days nagte-train kami. We're 1 station away from Siam Paragon, but then again tinry na yung maglakad. Apparently it's just 10-minute walk away from our hotel going to the cluster of malls. So MBK Center, Discovery Center, Siam Paragon. Hey, what are you getting? Sabi nga namin from the past or from yesterday, generally mas mahal dito ng konti. So, ang focus namin is yung mga gusto namin na wala yung design or hindi available yung sizes natin sa Pilipinas. So, si wife looking for Samba, na combination of green and blue. And then, I might get, is it Veja or Veja?
Basta, V-E-J-A.
Ayun. So, limited kasi yung colors na nasa atin. So, we'll see.
Okay, I'm getting 2. I have my daughter with the same size as me.
Yeah.
So, and it's only 390. So
390
like
baht.
500
So,
pesos. Plus the material is pretty good.
as I was saying, yung mga malls dito magkakadikit na. So, by the way, siguro kung kukompare natin sa Philippines, nasa may tayo, Mandaluyong area. Nandun yung Mega Mall, nandun yung Shangri-La, nandun yung Robinson's Galleria, yung Podium. So, tabi-tabi siyang malls, cluster of malls. Pero the good thing here is that magkakadikit sila, all connected. So, we just walk for 10 minutes from our hotel and then nakapasok na kami sa isang mall. And now we're inside Siam Paragon. So, kasi punta kami dito, hanapin namin yung Adidas kasi wifey is looking for her Samba na combination of blue and green. Nakita na namin yun kahapon sa Icon Siam. Tapos itinawag nila dito or they checked in the system. Sabi nung tao, meron daw dito. So, we're going to check it out here. He didn't reserve it though, no?
No, hindi naman ako inoferan eh.
Okay.
I don't think they do that here.
Sige. Let's check it out. Bakit kami second floor ng Siam Paragon? Saan ka nakakita? May section ng mall na puro kotse. Yung Harley Davidson. Di ko alam kung anong brand yung isang car. And this is Porsche. And
Maserati, baby. Yeah.
they have Maserati. And now they have Aston Martin. Ganda ng SUV nila. And then they have RR.
And then Jag.
They have Rolls Royce. And then BMW. And then, what's this? Mini Cooper. And then they have Tesla. Grabe naman. Pero doon lang tayo sa Adidas. Yan lang naman sinadya talaga natin dito sa second floor. Yung hinahanap nating Samba. Anyway, I'll see you later. Ibang level naman si Siam Paragon. So, she got the shoes that she's looking for, which is the Samba blue stripes and green flap. Well, there's no flap. Ano ba yan? Tawag sa likod. Basta blue and green combination. And tapos nakakita din siya ng isa, hindi siya Samba, pero sila natin.
They're the same price.
Yeah,
So
ang ganda lang ng kulay. So now she's confused. Pero let's confuse her more. Para ending, hindi na siya bumili. Nanalo na naman po ang kadiliman laban sa kabutihan.
Wait. No,
We got
ang
two
maganda na
shoes.
kasi ngayon, unlike me and my mama, magkaiba kami ng shoe size.
Oo.
Pero kami ni Chloe kasi, pareho kami ng size 7. So, whatever I buy, she can always borrow. Same thing with you and Kaden. Diba? Nawalan ka nga ng sapatos dahil kay Kaden.
Tama. Kaya kailangan ko bumili ng sapatos.
Oh, great.
Okay, so if you're not familiar, pwede rin mag-tax refund dito sa Thailand, just like yesterday, diba? Humingi din tayo ng yellow form sa Zara. So, pag medyo big purchases, sayang naman. So, I think it's around 6 or 7% yung VAT nila. So, pagdating sa airport, ipunin natin yung mga yellow forms natin. Alam ko there's specific amount na they have to do inspection, but I don't know what the amount exactly is. Or research natin. So that means bago nyo i-check in yung luggages nyo, kung plan nyo ilagay sa check-in luggage, huwag muna kayo mag-check-in ng luggage bago pumunta sa customs. Kasi they would need to inspect the actual items. If it's, I think, more than 20,000 baht. If it's less than 20,000 baht, pwede na yatang hindi i-inspect. Pero I think makaka more than 20,000 baht tayo. So, just to be sure, hindi muna namin i-check-in yung check-in luggages namin.
Okay. Tsaka the good thing is, hindi masasayang, unlike what we had in our previous travel, nung nag-Korea tayo kasi, our flight back home was gabi na, so sarado na yung mga taxi fund, right? So technically, this time, since your flight is at 6 p.m., we'll be in the airport
Bukas pa.
sometime in the hapon, so bukas pa siya.
Correct. Yung sa Korea kasi, parang ATM machine na lang. So, wala nang physical customs.
Sorry.
Siyempre, hindi tayo pwedeng magpalamang. We're going to get Beja. It's Beja. Aleha.
Can I have one?
Thank you.
Look at that. It's
It fits perfectly.
as in,
Yeah.
show the head.
10 to eh.
Then,
It's a size 10. It's nice.
yep.
Yes? No? Maybe?
Where's here? Great.
Pero medyo matigas siya.
That's what they said about it.
Yeah. Okay. Kaya ganun ulit. Touch repod uli natin. So, everything combined, mukhang lagpas na tayo dun sa cap. So, in the airport, kailangan natin siguro mag-allot ng extra time a little earlier kasi they will inspect all the items kasi lagpas na siya dun sa cap. We can't check in our luggages first. So again, just a tip, wag muna mag-check in ang luggage kung I think paglagpas ng 15,000 or 20,000. Their VAT form is not the usual yellow form like what we got from Zara and Adidas. So, pero it works the same way daw as the yellow form. So this is what we're going to show in the airport. So we got a 5% discount plus we can get 350 baht for this transaction alone. Okay, so done na tayo dito sa Siam Paragon. Nakakonect to siya sa Siam train station. Pero lilipat tayo dun sa Central World Mall. So parang Shangri-La. Nasa Mega Mall tayo. Pupunta tayo ng Shangri-La. Let's see kung may sidewalk na pwede tayong madaanan. Okay, so from Siam, Paragon, sabi ko kanina train station, di ba? May walkway pala dun sa taas. So, you don't have to go down here sa tabi ng medyo polluted kasi dito sa baba. Pero meron din dun sa taas. But anyway, same distance lang naman. Okay, so tama yung tansya. Mga 3-minute walk lang siya. Dito na tayo sa Central World. Nainitan lang tayo ng konting-konti. Pero kung na-discover natin yung walkway, mas okay sana. Now, we're going to look for Sephora. Later. So, from Central World Mall, kung saan siya tumingin ng Sephora, yung Central World nakadikit sa Grayson... What's this? Grayson Center? Gaysorn Center. Tapos, pupunta na kasi kami sa may Betsy Supermarket para bumili ng pasalubong. Ayun, very convenient naman maglakad. Just like what I've mentioned kanina, connected na lahat. So we've been to MBK, Siam Center, Siam Paragon, Central World, Gaysorn Walk, Atrium. So nakalimang mall na tayo. Nakalimang mall na tayo na dikit-dikit. And now, we're going dun sa walkway papunta tayo ng Betsy Supermarket. Technically, that's the 6th establishment. Quote-unquote mall, pero it's more of a supermarket para sa ating mga pasalubong. So, let's see.
Hello, Kuya Big C. So we're done with the pasalubongs. We were able to buy the liniments and the ointments over here, the inhalers. Mas mura nga talaga siya. Daming tao, yung mga cart halos hindi mo mapupush around kasi siksikan because it's afternoon around 2-3 p.m. And when I asked kung hanggang ano oras siya,
Open sila hanggang 2 a.m. So, kung mahilig naman kayo magpuyat, kung gusto nyo walang kalaban na crowd, maybe punta kayo dito. Ma-consider nyo pumunta dito to buy your pasalubong shopping ng midnight or past midnight or, you know, madaling araw na walang tao.
correct.
Ay, sobrang init nga lang dito kasi medyo para siyang nasa tent. Hindi naman fully enclosed pero it's 4 in the afternoon so medyo mainit talaga. Thank you.
Wow, thank you. Thank you. Tom yum over
Tom yum noodles. So, no need nang mag-tip sa may kahit sa mga food market, masarap na yung you can't go wrong no? Masarap na yung pad thai nila. So, even though food market hindi naman siya, not necessarily mas mura siya. Actually, same price siya lang ng tip sa may na naka-air condition ka na sit-down restaurant. Nakaupo din naman tayo pero in terms of lasa, parehas. Siguro experience, it's different. Pero ganun din mas masarap pa to. Ano? Okay, so palabas na ulit tayo ng hotel. Bumalik lang tayo to freshen up, maghilamos. Nakakahiya naman sa masahista, no? Na lapot tayo. So, freshen up tayo konti and then punta na tayo. So, yun. Dito na kami sa baba ng hotel. Lakad lang kami kasi malapit lang siya. Malapit lang yung spa. It's literally right beside our hotel. Umuulan. Ito yung first ulan na experience namin dito sa Bangkok since we arrived. There we go. Try natin ang authentic massage.
Yes.
Dry massage.
Dry
Okay.
massage.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, tahimik lang tayo kasi medyo fully booked siya. Ang dami nagpapamassage. So, inaalam natin boses natin. So, parang luwat tayo na nasa floor lang yung mattress. Yep. So, we got the Thai massage. So, we have to dress up using the parang scrubs. Kasi dry massage lang naman siya. So, the usual siguro yung may stretching and yung matinding pindot-pindot. Okay, let's see kung okay massage later. See ya! Okay, so may pa tea and Ano to? Puto Seco? Ano ba to? Mukhang Puto Seco eh. Teka mo.
Tignan natin yung Puto Seco. Kasi pala ito yung lumalaki, no? Pag nabasa. Puto Seco yan.
Puto Seco. Oh, see? Tama ako. May Puto Seco din pala dito sa Thailand. So, we're done dito sa Lek Authentic Thai Massage. Katabi lang siya ng Holiday Inn Express. Literal, katabi lang. Ito na Holiday Inn Express. Hindi na kami makabalik kasi umuulan. So, hindi namin alam ngayon kung saan kami magdi-dinner kasi umuulan nga. So, medyo nasira yung plano. Supposedly, options are pupunta kami sa Jod's Fair to eat street food doon. Gustong-gusto ko matikman yung jumping shrimp nila, jumping live shrimp salad. Pero umuulan nga. Pero maaga pa naman, 7 o'clock pa lang. Pag hindi tumila ang ulan, then maybe we're going to be the end of our day 3. No? Papatila lang kami ng konti para makatawid kami, makabalik kami sa hotel. Kung wala talagang makainan, baka mag 7-11 muna tayo kasi medyo malakas yung ulan. Anyway, sakto lang kasi maaga tayo tomorrow. Right, maaga kami gising tomorrow for our Pattaya day tour.
Yes, excited. First tripping.
Okay. Bye, day 3. And we're back outside. We're still at day 3, night 3 technically, right? Technically, we ended the vlog earlier after our massage, but luckily, huminto yung ulan after like few minutes. So, saglit lang umulan. Ambon-ambon na lang. Actually, ngayon, wala nang ulan at all. So, matutuloy namin yung plan namin to go to Jod Fairs. Jod's Fair, Jod Fairs. So, from Siam, or from National Stadium, we took the BTS dark green line going to Saladeng. We transferred to the BL line, which is the blue line. Sumakay kami sa Silom, and then 6 stations away from Silom is Praram 9 station, which is where the Jod Fairs is. So we'll bring you along with us Jod's Fair.
Let's go!
Grabe, ang dami.
Left or right?
Drinks, pwede kang magwalwal dito. Yes, durian, parang durian park.
And mocktails.
Yung uminom ng pawis na pawis. Been wanting to try that. Then may mga tables siya where you can sit down. Ito mga seafood and ribs, barbecue ribs. Ano to? Ba't ibang klaseng kinilaw? Kinilaw na alimasag. Ano tawag dito? Yung alupihan dagat. Alupihan dagat, palangka, salmon, shrimp, crab meat, lato. Puro kilawin. Oh, this is the jumping shrimp. Parang I wanna try spicy shrimp salad. Sige, let's try this. Look at that. Fresh from the aquarium. You're still jumping.
So again.
Kaya ko to. Ang hindi ko kaya yung mga ano yun, scorpion, gano'n. Mga uod. Oh my God. Lo. Yung mga nakakawala pa. Lo. Uod, cricket, martillos. And then the durian tart again. Pinakamaliit 180 baht, 250.
Signature food.
Yeah, so it's like this. It's like that. Pero syempre, yan yung pinakamalaki. Maybe we'll try the smallest one. This looks interesting. Parang half takoyaki, half monster. So we're buying roti. Original. Pero yan yung ibang flavors. Magkano to?
60.
60 ba? Ayan. Naliligo sa mantika. Yung okay. Yun, no? Lumalangoy. Comment down below kung alam nyo kung ano to. Parang kakaiba. Naglalangoy sa tubig. Second milk tea for Thai milk tea for the day. She's getting the small lang, 50 baht. Aesthetic. Nakasombrero.